Okay, so today we have a 2012 Volkswagen Golf in for a 28-point check. We found a couple of leaks on this one. If we just come over here, grab the watering can. If we pour the water down here, imitating the rain, so as you drive along, the rain hits the water and goes down the window. And if we go inside, we can see it just coming out here. So it's coming out down here. That's leaking through the door membrane. As you can see, the water's coming through there now. So we've got the water coming through the door membrane. If we come around to the back here, we've got the rear air vents. As you can see, someone's been in here before and have put some sort of wiring in here before, so we're not too sure what that is. Wiring for something. So if I just quickly pop over here, turn the hose on. We've got the hose up behind the bumper, imitating as you're driving along in the rain. Water's flicking up. So I'll pull this back a bit. You can see on that air vent the water here. So the water's leaking through, coming through on there. So we've got the water coming through there. Also at the front, these are common to have a leak through the scuttle area, through where the pollen filter housing is. We do recommend doing those because that is a common leak on these. If we come round to the inside and just get our hand up underneath this carpet, it's soaking wet down here. If I can just get my hand up there, so you can see on my hand it's wet. It's wet through here, it's wet through to the front. As you can see, it's been wet for a little while. We've got rusty water there, so it's wet all the way through. So there's our leaks.